In this video tutorial, we're going to talk about supplementary angles. Let's go ahead and start with the definition. If the sum of the measure of two angles is 180 degrees, then the angles are called supplementary angles. So in our diagram here, I have one angle marked in red, angle MOP, and then I have another angle marked in blue, COP. Notice that this angle MOC is a straight line. The number of degrees for a straight angle is 180. So if I add these two angles together, it's going to be 180 degrees. Let's take a look at an example. In this prompt, we are told that angle R and angle S are supplementary, and we are provided with the measurement of angle R. We need to find out the measurement of angle S. So using the concept that we had just mentioned, the sum of two angles added up to 180, we're going to add up angle R and angle S and replace the information for angle R. In order to find out the measurement of angle S, we simply have to subtract both sides by 71.9. And carefully calculate, angle S will be 108.1 degrees.